Hi guys, in this videos we are going to be checking out the top 10 best manual tire changers that are available on the market for the true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's start it with the video. Number 10. Coppless Manual Tire Changer. The first product is among the top sellers in the market. Made with high-quality steel, this tire changer is sturdy and durable. The design would stay stern for a long time. The unique design provides perfect stabilization. Also, it keeps it balanced, even under heavy weight. This single tool has a wide range of applications to offer. These are some of the best-selling items in the market without a doubt. For wheels with size range from 8 to 16. Either the tire is of a light truck, or a car or other vehicle, it can fit all those tires. The structure is ideal for dismounting as well as mounting. The high-quality paint and the glossy finish makes it durable. It is anti-rustic and anti-corrosive, so you can use it for indoor or outdoor work. There won't be any mess. There is a locking collar so the tire stays in place. The kit comes with a clear set of instructions, so you can assemble it with ease. If you want to buy this product, please check link in the description below. Number 9. Maflin Manual Tire Spreader. This product is among the top sellers in the market. The design has a 360-degree rotatable platform. It can support up to 3.34 of tire spread. Also, the changer offers a tilt of 9-degree. For all those who want a tire changing kit for personal use, or if some of you own a small garage and want manual changers, then this product is your ultimate choice. The tire spreader works best with the tool tray. It offers a max enlargement of 13.78. so you can fix up a 9 tire. Further, the table allows you to adjust it to any angle. This feature makes the whole process easier. From cars to trucks like lighter ones, this product is more than reliable. The usage is not bound to changing tire only, as the changer also allows tire inspection, buffing, and cutting. Moreover, you can perform the dust, suctioning, patching, and so on. Number 8. Lauren Manual Tire Changer. Made with high-quality steel, this manual tire changer is perfect for in many ways. The strong construction can bear lots of pressure and it won't even collapse. Coming with a base measurement of 5/3 of a foot-feet x 18/2 a foot-feet, so different sizes can accommodate with ease. Further, the wheel has a sturdy rest plate. The amazing product is capable to hold even light truck tires and car tires. To make transportation easy, the whole set only weighs 42 pounds. This tire changer offers a whole range of functionalities. Either it is mounting or dismounting, you can do it all. And the strong design makes every functionality easier. This amazing manual tire changer is one of its kind because of the amazing features in it. All these features facilitate the users in a great deal and make sure that you get the best results. Number 7. Best Equipped Tire Spreader and Changer. It is one of the best-selling tire changer in the market. This is all because of its amazing qualities and amazing features. The whole structure is made up of high-quality stainless steel material. This allows this amazing tire changer and spreader to handle heavy loads anywhere you want. It comes with a 7-position mechanism that helps you adjust the tire accordingly. The tire changer also comes with a manual swivel tire spreader and a strong stand to hold it in a firm manner. The best thing about the best equipped tire spreader and changer is that it comes with a built-in LED light on it. This makes the work simpler and easier without a doubt. Number 6. 8 Pro USA Portable Tire Changer. The 8 Pro USA Portable Tire Changer is best known for its performance in the genre of tire changing. This amazing tire changer is simple yet effective in changing tires and treating them well. The whole body of 8 Pro, the USA, is made up of high-quality steel material which makes it firm and sturdy in every manner. It has manual operation procedures and is easy to work with when it comes to a tire change. The steel construction makes it light in weight to make sure this tire changer can be moved anywhere. It is easy to use and easy to move. Number 5. Generic Tire Changer. It is one of the best-selling tire changers in the market. The best thing about this amazing tire changer is that it has adjustable jaw clamps. This allows different sizes of the tire to be dealt with at ease and anywhere you like. This tire changer is really popular all because of its amazing qualities, amazing features. It also comes with a 4 shaft sizes which provide a proper place for either bearing center in the wheelbase. The only thing which takes time is that you have to assemble it yourself. This thing can take a little time if you are doing it for the first time. Number 4. Northern Industrial Portable Mini Tire Changer. It is one of the most amazing and easy to use tire changers in the market. All these things are because of its stability, strong and sturdy material, and Amazing portability. As it is made out of stainless steel material, it is lighter in weight. This allows the product to be strong enough to handle the weight of the tire and light enough to be traveled anywhere with ease. The best thing is that it is accurate for all kinds of tires. This amazing feature increases its usability for a much larger extent. It is a reliable and durable tire changer which can handle the tires with clear efficiency and lesser time. Number 3. Rabiconda Tire Changer. It is one of the best-selling tire changers in the market. This is all because of its amazing qualities and amazing features. The amazing structure makes it one of the fastest and easy-to-use tire changer as compared to the other tire changers of the same genre. The height of the Rabiconda tire changer is so elegantly designed that no user will face any kind of backaches while using it. This amazing tire changer is accurate for all kinds of tires with the same efficiency. The best thing is that this tire changer comes with a lifetime warranty. It gives assurance in the quality and performance of the product at the same time. The strong and sturdy stainless steel materials increase the reliability of this amazing tire changer, hence making it workable for a longer duration of time. Number 2. PowerLift Manual Tire Changer. The PowerLift Manual Tire Changer is best known for its performance and genre of tire changing. It is also one of the best and efficient products in the market. This is because of its amazing design. The PowerLift Manual Tire Changer is built with rugged steel design which makes it strong and sturdy to handle all types of tires. It basically handles the tires ranging from 8 inches to light trucks. The only thing is that it needs to be mounted with bolts in the ground. This feature makes it non-portable. It is efficient in working and provides the maximum power to the user while changing a tire. Number 1. Ranger RWS 3TC Manual Tire Changer. It is one of the best-selling tire changers in the market. This is all because of its amazing qualities and amazing features. The wheelbase of this tire changer provides proper support while treating a tire. The strong construction makes this tire change more efficient and reliable in every manner. It has an easy mounting mechanism and is also lightweight. This feature makes it portable and also gives efficiency and speed while changing a tire. It also performs bead braking operations along with the tire changing operations. These features give this tire changer another level of importance in the tire changer community. Thanks for watching this video, and if you want to buy this product, please check in the description below.